Hello, this is Nolan on my new YouTube page, and today we're going to be doing a lazy farming raid. So I'm in Silver 1, so I'm a Town Hall 8. It's actually pretty good, and if you don't like it, then you should probably go to Gold 2. I'm just raiding with barbarians and archers. It's easy, it's quick, and it's really effective. As long as you could find the right base. I'll just give you guys an example. Not much loot in this base, but we can make it work. So what you want to do? Okay, so yeah, Teslas. See that gap right there? That might be a Tesla. Yep. And this is a Town Hall 8, so yep, there's gonna be another Tesla right there. So what you want to do is you want to use your archers to pick off as many buildings as you can. Okay, so that one wasn't able to because of the cannon. And then if they aren't able to pick off the building, then you want to place a few barbarians down. Let's see. Like this. And then place the archers right behind them to do the job. Oh, the archer should be able to pick off this building because the archer tower is upgrading. Not able to pick that off. Let's place our clan castle troops. See what we got. Okay, so there's archers in there. No need to do anything. Okay, so let's just have fun and let's go for the storages right there. Oh, but they have clan castle troops, so I have to go to those. So just place a little bit of both. Okay, now let's go for these pumps. So you want to place barbarians down. Oops, there's still a spell factory there. Oh, and they still have clan castle troops. Ugh. Hope we don't run out of time. And if you're farming, you shouldn't really care about trophies that much. So if you lose 20, 21, it doesn't matter, you'll gain it back. About to run out of time, we need to hurry. So what you want to do is place barbarians down on each side. And then place archers, just like you did with the pumps. Same idea. And you should get pretty much. We already destroyed that storage, so now now the archers are working on that one. Okay. So barely any loot, barely any elixir at least, maybe a little bit of decent gold, but it was just to give you an idea. So now I think that's it for this video. On my new video, maybe you guys should leave a comment to see what series I should do, or if I should even make one. And maybe I'll do a Clan War series with like all dragon attacks. And shout out to my clan, Army Omega. It's full of people from the army. It's my cousin Mark, and his workers, so his staff that worked with him. So shout out to them and hope you join. Thanks, guys.